It's still twitching. Look at it. You sure it can't get up and fly again? It's twitching. Kill it the rest of the way. That's not killing it. That's just hitting over the head. Is it dead yet? Those things like live forever. They're like cockroaches. Is it still twitching?
Yes, it's still twitching.
Let me see.
You give your daughter your flying things.
I don't see it twitching anymore. Alright, now clean up the carcass. It's so gross.